Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Facebook Business Manager access for your ad accounts, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Facebook Business Manager access for your ad accounts, start by logging into your Facebook Business Manager. Navigate to the business settings located in the left sidebar. In the business settings menu, click on Users. Select People from the drop-down menu. Click on the Add button to invite new users. Enter the email address of the person you want to add. Select the role you want to assign to this user. To grant access to specific ad accounts, scroll to the Ad Accounts section. Choose the ad accounts you want the user to access. Make sure to toggle the permissions according to the level of access you want to provide. Next, click Invite to send the invitation to the user. The invited user will receive an email to accept the invite. Once they accept, return to the People section in Business Settings. Find the user in the list and confirm their access. If you need to remove access, click on the user and select Remove. For existing users, you can edit their permissions. Always keep track of who has access to maintain security. Occasionally review user access levels to ensure they are still appropriate. Once you've authenticated access for all users, ensure they log in to verify their permissions. This process helps maintain security while efficiently managing your ad accounts. Now you are ready to manage your Facebook ad accounts effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.